Organizations spend millions upgrading their software, hoping a shiny new screen will fix their operational chaos. But look behind the monitor, and you often find the exact same duplicate spreadsheets, delayed approvals, and frantic sticky notes. You have to ask, did your digital transformation actually solve the business friction, or did it merely digitize the dysfunction? You can buy the most sophisticated AI suite, or deploy a world-class enterprise resource planning platform. If your departments still debate which KPI report is accurate, and your factory floor remains disconnected from your supply chain, you have not transformed. You have only purchased technology. True transformation begins with a single question: what operational problem must we solve? Everything else, the software, the cloud architecture, the machine learning, is simply a tool configured to execute that specific solution. Welcome to Droos Tech Online. Today, we are going to break down what a problem-led enterprise architecture actually looks like in practice. To do that, we are going to track the life of a single, raw piece of physical data. We will follow it from the exact moment a machine generates it on the factory floor, straight up through the digital architecture, until an executive uses it to make a governed business decision. Following this signal through these distinct architectural layers reveals how an enterprise strips away noise, builds context, and creates a result that can be verified. Our journey starts in the physical world. On the manufacturing line, an industrial motor driving an extrusion process begins to draw excess power. The sensor on that motor spits out a raw, isolated signal, exactly 24.65 kilowatts. By itself, that number means nothing. It is an isolated measurement. Before any system tries to interpret that number, it has to pass through a validity gate. This automated checkpoint confirms the sensor is healthy, checks the timestamp, and verifies the engineering units. If bad data gets through this layer, downstream analytics will simply give you a highly detailed, incorrect answer. Once the signal passes the gate, the architecture wraps it in context. Now that 24 kilowatts has meaning. It is linked to motor 3 on extrusion line B, running product order 77 during the second shift. If you skip this rigorous trust and contextualization layer, any artificial intelligence you apply later will lack the grounding required to generate accurate recommendations. At the physical machine level, a programmable logic controller, or PLC, ensures the equipment operates safely. Its job is immediate, deterministic control. The AI's job sits above that layer, analyzing broader patterns over time. A strict rule applies here. AI exists to augment human decisions. It never bypasses the hardwired, deterministic safety logic protecting the operators and the heavy machinery on the factory floor. This brings us to the digital twin. A functional digital twin is a synchronized model of the factory floor that maps the motor anomaly against the entire production environment to visualize dependencies that isolated systems miss. The twin takes the motor's energy spike and simulates the downstream impact. It calculates that if this mechanical degradation continues at its current rate, the line will fail in 2 days, causing a severe delivery delay for a key client. Through this process, a localized physical glitch is successfully translated into actionable business foresight. Armed with this foresight, the AI generates 3 specific recommendations to handle the degradation. For each option, it displays the supporting evidence, operational constraints, and the calculated risk levels. But the AI does not make the final call. An accountable engineer or manager must review the evidence. Intelligence models speed up the analysis, but accountability remains strictly human. The manager approves a scheduled maintenance intervention, and the repair is executed. However, the loop is not closed yet. The system waits, monitoring the physical motor to measure if the fix actually stabilized the energy metrics. This enforces a rule called verified outcomes before learning. The AI model is locked from updating its own algorithms until the physical improvement is objectively proven by the data. Executing an action without measuring the result creates a polluted learning loop. A system that learns from unverified actions slowly degrades the intelligence of the entire enterprise over time. Once the outcome is verified, the architecture creates an enterprise decision memory. It locks the original sensor data, rejected alternatives, human approval, and proven result into a digital capsule. Traditional databases log what happened. A mature enterprise remembers why, building a cumulative organizational learning engine. Digital transformation is measured by an organization's ability to see reality clearly, make informed decisions, and learn continuously from the results. It is never measured by the software purchased. The ultimate architecture connects the raw, physical pulse of your factory floor directly to the intelligent, accountable core of your business. If you want to keep exploring how to build a smarter, problem-led operating model, hit subscribe right here at Droos Tech Online. Thanks for watching.